Hello and welcome to Khan E-Varsity. You need to hear this if you're a homeowner. We rely on our kitchen appliances every day. From the moment we wake up and make our morning coffee to the time we prepare dinner, these appliances are integral to our daily routines. They make cooking and cleaning easier, saving us time and effort. Imagine trying to prepare a meal without a stove or clean up without a dishwasher, but what happens when they break down? A malfunctioning appliance can disrupt your entire day. Calling a repair person can be expensive and time-consuming. The costs can add up quickly, and waiting for a technician can be frustrating. That's why learning basic appliance repair is so valuable. It empowers you to handle minor issues on your own.
Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet rural area, these skills are essential. They provide a sense of independence and self-reliance. In urban areas, repair services can be costly and hard to schedule. The demand is high, and the wait times can be long. Knowing how to fix things yourself saves you money and hassle. You can address issues immediately without waiting for professional help.
In rural communities, finding qualified technicians might be challenging. The options are limited and the distances can be significant. Distances can be long and help might not be readily available. This makes self-repair skills even more valuable. Being able to tackle repairs independently becomes even more critical. It ensures that your household runs smoothly without unnecessary delays.
Learning to fix your own appliances puts you in control. You gain the confidence to handle unexpected breakdowns. You can keep your kitchen running smoothly without relying on others. This independence is both empowering and practical. This saves you money, time, and unnecessary stress in the long run. By investing a little time in learning these skills, you reap significant benefits.
The kettle is a workhorse in the kitchen. We use it for tea, coffee, and even instant noodles. But over time, kettles can develop problems. The most common issue is a kettle that won't turn on.
First, check if the kettle is plugged in properly. It seems simple, but it's often the culprit. Next, inspect the power cord for any damage. A frayed cord is a safety hazard and should be replaced immediately.
If the cord looks good, the problem might be the kettle's fuse. This is a safety feature that prevents overheating.
You can test the fuse with a multimeter and replace it if necessary. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electrical appliances. Always unplug the kettle before attempting any repairs.
The smell of toast in the morning is a comforting ritual. A small pleasure that starts the day off right, but when your toaster starts acting up, it can be frustrating and disrupt your morning routine. One common issue is uneven toasting, where one side is burnt while the other is barely browned. This is often caused by a buildup of crumbs inside the toaster, which can block the heating elements.
To fix this, first unplug the toaster and let it cool completely to avoid any risk of burns. Then turn it upside down over a trash can and gently shake out the crumbs. You might be surprised at how much debris comes out.
Another common problem is the toast getting stuck inside the toaster, which can be quite annoying. Never use a metal object to pry out stuck toast while the toaster is plugged in. This is extremely dangerous and can cause electric shocks.
Instead, always unplug the toaster and let it cool down before attempting to remove the stuck toast. Then, use a wooden spoon handle or another non-metallic object to gently encourage the toast to pop up without damaging the toaster. If the toast is still stuck, you may need to unplug the toaster and carefully disassemble the carriage to remove the bread. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for guidance.
A well-functioning iron is essential for a polished look, but irons can encounter problems like not heating up properly. Before troubleshooting, always ensure the iron is unplugged and cool.
Testing the heating element requires a multimeter. If you're not comfortable with this, it's best to seek professional help. If the cord looks fine, the issue might be a faulty heating element. Then inspect the power cord for any visible damage. Check the temperature dial. Is it set correctly?
To keep your iron in good condition, avoid ironing over zippers or buttons. These can damage the sole plate.
Regularly clean the sole plate with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Proper maintenance will extend the life of your iron and keep your clothes looking their best.
Section 5. Beyond non-stick, keeping your frying pans in top shape. Frying pans are kitchen workhorses. We use them for everything from eggs to stir-fries. But even the best non-stick pans can lose their effectiveness over time. One common problem is food sticking to the surface. This is often caused by a buildup of grease and food residue. To prevent this, avoid using metal utensils on your non-stick pans. Metal can scratch the surface and reduce its non-stick properties. Instead, opt for wooden, silicone, or heat-resistant plastic utensils. Regularly cleaning your frying pans is crucial. After each use, wash the pan with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive cleaners or steel wool as they can damage the non-stick coating. Section 6, two-plate stove savvy, troubleshooting and simple repairs. Two-plate stoves are common in many homes, especially smaller spaces. They're simple to use but can experience issues like a burner not heating up. First, ensure the stove is properly plugged in. Next, check if the burner element is securely in place. Sometimes a loose element can cause heating problems. If the element is loose, carefully tighten it. If the element is burned out, it will need to be replaced. Another common problem is a faulty temperature control knob. If the knob feels loose or doesn't turn smoothly, it might need replacement. Always unplug the stove before attempting any repairs involving the burners or electrical components. Section 7. Safety first. Essential precautions for appliance repair. Before diving into appliance repair, safety should be your top priority. Always disconnect the appliance from the power source before you begin any work. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to prevent electrical shocks. When working with electrical components, wear rubber-soled shoes to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Use insulated tools to protect yourself from live wires. If you encounter a frayed or damaged power cord, do not attempt to repair it yourself. Replace it with a new cord to ensure safety. Remember, water and electricity don't mix. Never work on an appliance while it's wet or near water. If you're unsure about any repair, it's always best to consult a qualified technician. Having the right tools on hand makes appliance repair smoother and more efficient. Section 8. The right tools for the job: building your appliance repair kit.
You'll need both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in various sizes. Start with a set of screwdrivers. A basic toolkit should include a few essential items.
A multimeter is essential for testing electrical components like fuses and heating elements.
A pair of needle nose pliers is particularly useful for working in tight spaces. Pliers are handy for gripping, holding, and cutting wires.
Electrical tape is essential for insulating exposed wires after making repairs.
A flashlight is crucial for illuminating dark corners inside appliances. Keep your tools organized in a toolbox for easy access and storage.
Section 9. Turning skills into opportunity. Appliance repair as a career. Appliance repair is a valuable skill that can open doors to various career paths.
With the increasing reliance on appliances, skilled technicians are in high demand. One option is to work for an established appliance repair company. These companies often provide on-the-job training and opportunities for advancement.
Another path is to start your own appliance repair business. This offers flexibility and the potential for greater earning.
Being your own boss allows you to set your own hours and choose the types of repairs you want to specialize in. To succeed as an entrepreneur, strong customer service skills are essential. Building trust and rapport with clients is key to building a successful business.
Section 10. The satisfaction of a job well done. The rewards of DIY repair. Learning to repair your own appliances offers a sense of accomplishment that goes beyond saving money. It's a journey of discovery and self-reliance where each successful repair builds your confidence and skill set.
There's a real satisfaction in diagnosing a problem, finding a solution, and successfully fixing it yourself. The process can be challenging, but the reward of seeing a once broken appliance working again is truly fulfilling. It's empowering to know that you can handle these tasks without relying on others. This independence not only boosts your self-esteem, but also makes you more resourceful in other areas of life.
DIY repair also allows you to extend the lifespan of your appliances. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your devices running smoothly for years, saving you the cost of frequent replacements. By addressing minor issues early on, you can prevent them from escalating into major problems. This proactive approach ensures that your appliances remain in good working condition, reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns.
This not only saves you money in the long run, but also reduces waste by keeping appliances out of landfills. Every repair you make is a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, contributing to environmental conservation. Sharing your skills with others is another rewarding aspect of DIY repair. Teaching friends and family how to fix their own appliances can be a bonding experience, fostering a sense of community and mutual support. Helping friends and family with their appliance troubles can be a great way to connect and share your knowledge. It's a wonderful feeling to pass on your expertise and see others benefit from your experience, creating a ripple effect of self-sufficiency and empowerment.
Section 11. Empowering yourself. Taking control of your appliances and your budget. Mastering basic appliance repair empowers you in multiple ways.
Firstly, it gives you control over your household budget. Appliance repairs can be expensive, and learning to do them yourself can save you significant money.
Secondly, it reduces your reliance on repair technicians. You won't have to wait for appointments or worry about scheduling conflicts.
Thirdly, it equips you with valuable skills that can be used throughout your life. These skills can be applied to various appliances and situations, making you more self-sufficient.
Finally, it fosters a sense of confidence and independence. Knowing that you can handle these tasks on your own is empowering. Please subscribe to the Khan eVarsity YouTube channel for more helpful tips and guides.